Hello there everybody, welcome back to Try New Things. I'm so glad you joined me today. We're relegated to the TNT workshop today because there's been a drastic change in the weather here in northern Kentucky. 2 days ago we were enjoying the 70s, yesterday mid 60s. Today it's snowing to beat the band. But that's not all a bad thing. We're going to take advantage of being indoors today to clean up a tool I picked up at a yard sale pretty cheaply a few weeks ago. It's something I intend to use a lot, so I'm not going to do a full restoration of it, just basically a cleanup, get it serviced and ready for spring. But it's a pair of pruning shears. Let me show you what I picked up. So here are those trimmers I was talking about. They're a set of Seymour Original number 119 Snap Cut. And I picked these up at a yard sale a couple weeks ago for 25 cents. And I'm hoping they'll clean up quite nicely and we can put them to use here on the TNT farm. So the first thing we're going to do is a little bit of wire wheel after disassembly and see what we end up with. And there we are, post-wire brush review. And I think these turned out quite well. I probably won't end up painting them at all. Now there is still some slight pitting in places, but I can definitely live with that. These are going to be everyday users for me anyway. And I just wanted to clean them up and get them back in respectable condition, and I think we're going to end up doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and reassemble and then check back in with you. All right, let's give these things a try. All right, everybody, that's going to be a wrap on another episode of Try New Things. I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch this video. where we did a cleanup and a servicing on a pair of really old Seymour original number 119 pruning shears. And I think they turned out very nice. And I'm glad that I'm not going to paint them. I like the look of them just clean like this. But this winter and spring, we'll definitely be putting these to use. We've got a number of pear trees, peach trees, and they're going to need a little bit of pruning. So if you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any episodes. And until the next time, bye-bye. Well, that's going to wrap up another episode of Try New Things. Dang. Well, that's going to wrap it up for another episode of Try New Things. I thank you for...